In the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn, with every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold, in this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In this symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts, the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn, with every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold, in this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates. But we'll shatter the limits, we'll rewrite the rules. With the heart of a lion, we'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbowed. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn, with every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold, in this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories, the stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we've learned. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world may change.
In the twilight's embrace, where dreams collide, we stand on the edge with nothing to hide. The winds of change are whispering low. With every heartbeat, we're ready to go. Through valleys of doubt and mountains of fear, we'll carve our own path with our vision clear. The stars are our guide, the moonlight our song. In this journey together, we've been here all along. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. As the dawn breaks gently, painting the sky, we'll capture each moment, let our spirits fly. With every sunrise, a new chapter begins. In the canvas of life, we'll find where love wins. Through trials and triumphs, we'll write our own fate. With the fire of our passion, we'll never be late. In the dance of the cosmos, we'll twirl and spin. With every heartbeat, we'll feel the rush within. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens, beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. And when the night falls and the world feels cold, we'll light up the darkness with a love so bold. With every heartbeat, we'll shatter the chains. In the light of our love, nothing remains. Through the silence and chaos, we'll rise above. In the depths of our souls, we'll find our love. With dreams intertwined, like stars in the night, we'll chase on forever until the morning light. Reaching for the heavens, beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find out forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every step forward, we leave fear behind. In the tapestry of in the shadow of the city lights, where dreams collide with endless nights, we chase the dawn, our hearts aglow. With every step we feel the flow. A whisper in the air, a promise untold. With courage as our armor, we're brave and bold. Feel the rhythm in our veins as the world around us fades. We're writing stories in the stars, no more hiding who we are. We are the echoes of tomorrow, rising from the ashes of our sorrow. With every heartbeat we ignite, together we will soar into the night. Through the storm and through the fire, we'll reach for dreams that lift us higher. In this moment we're alive, together we will fly. With every shadow that we face, we find the light, we find our place. A tapestry of hope unfolds, with threads of courage bright and bold. May haunt us, but we're not afraid.